I love what they have done with the TV space. Look at this. This is so creative. Na wamekwekea sockets hapo. Hapa inaweza fit TV how many inches hivi? 60, 55 would be awesome for this room. And hapo unaweza weka photo frames, you know, your little decor. That would be so cute. I love these curtains. The color is so mature. And have you noticed what they have done with the rods? They are hidden. Uko! You can be able to see them. I think that's an awesome feature. Look at the lighting fixture. I think it's my favorite thing about this space. And the wardrobe extends to this side. I think hapa unaweza weka your wine glasses, whatever you want. So much storage.